has issued a snow squall warning for Central Fairfield County, West Central New Haven County, Putnam County, and southeastern New York until 3:30 p.m. At 2:57 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Gaylordsville to Brewster, moving east to 40. Hazard: whiteout conditions. Zero visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. Locations impacted include Danbury, Southbury, Mahopac, Lake Carmel, Sherman, Brewster, Newtown, Ridgefield, Monroe, Bethel, Brookfield, New Fairfield, Reading, Middlebury, and Carmel. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.